Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, on today's installment of What's in the Box, we're gonna find out what's inside this beautiful box here. Here's a quarter for scale. Now as yeah, it's a heavy box, okay. Whew, it's a heavy box. And, oh, it's a tight box. It's very tight and heavy. Okay, I'm gonna get a better purchase here. Oh, son of a bitch. Okay, all right, whoa, we got a mess here. Okay, what do we got? Fuck. Yeah, there's more. There's more. We got more in here. God damn. Whew. Whew. Okay. There's that. Yeah, the gift that keeps on giving. Oh, this is cute. Oh, little guy. Okay. Woo! All right. Crisis averted. Everything's okay. But what we have here is a beautiful set of exhaust. Let's unwrap these puppies and see what's inside. I can't hide my amazement. I don't know how they fit all this in that little tight, tiny little box, but shipping department over here at TJ Brutal Customs really knows their shit. Let's take a look at what we have here. We have a beautiful piece of chrome. It's just a bar with some holes. Bar with some holes.
Bar with some holes.
Hose at a bar. Okay, memory lane. Let's unwrap this guy here. I'm sorry, I can't do the fingernails clicking on stuff. Guys, it drives me nuts, sorry. So you're gonna have to do without that in this video. But I will unravel this like a croissant in reverse. Ah, beautiful, beautiful chrome. This is gonna be our forward pipe for the Magnus V wide profile upsweeps for your VT600. This is a 3-piece exhaust kit. This is the companion to that front pipe. I'm gonna turn myself into a mummy as I demummify the pipe. If I can, oh, the mummy wraps, oh, sorry. This is the second part to that front pipe. As you can see, it's got a flare here and retainers on both sides to hold that spring, which will give the pipes positive tension to keep them together. You also have a nice exhaust hanging bracket here. We have some hardware here. We have the spring, which is the retainer for these pipes. I'm gonna use this rag here to show you guys. My table has holes. It came this way, it came already broken. So I'll show you all the hardware we have. Got 1 big aluminum spacer, 4 small aluminum spacers. We have 4 nuts, which is far too many for any growing boy. We also have an extra nut here. We have a square nut. We have this screw and the spring. Spring is the retainer to attach the forward pipe to the rear section of the forward pipe. These spacers and nuts are going to go on the collar. Spacer goes on first on the exhaust stud, followed by the flange nut. If you install it any other way, you're doing it wrong, okay? I get that all the time. People say, your shit sucks, you didn't make it right. No, this is how it goes. So don't use the stock hardware, please. You will encounter failure. Use the hardware we include with the spacers. You'll be fine. You're gonna have a good time. You may be asking, what the fuck is a square nut? About to show you what a square nut is, son. About to learn you and read you from the book. If I can overcome this styrofoam and tape first. It's usually the hardest part. On your rear pipe, you'll notice this little bracket here. You're gonna take this nut, slide it underneath here. The beautiful square piece of chrome is gonna mount right here. The screw goes through into the nut, picks it up, and now this is attached. Now what you're gonna do is when you set your pipes up, this is gonna go down here. This is gonna mount to the same bolt that the hanger bracket mounts to. And this is gonna stabilize your front and rear exhaust together. All right, now if you guys wanna see how to install these pipes on a bike, go ahead and click the link here, or possibly click the link here to watch a video on how to install these. Now let's go put these on my truck and see how they sound. Do you like shiny things? I like shiny things. Get some at shoptjbc.com. My hips. Now we finally installed these pipes on our truck. Took a minute or 10. Let's fire it up and see what they sound like. And that is what the Magnus V wide profile upsweep sound like on a VT600. If you want to get a hold of these bad boys, you can go to shoptjbc.com where you can find this gorgeous set of chrome pipes along with hundreds of other awesome motorcycle parts. Shoptjbc.com, go get you some, bitch. If you found this video to be absolutely annoying, you hate my face, you don't like motorcycles, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button because you're going to see a lot more of it. You're going to get in your email, we're going to call you, we're going to send you letters, actual paper letters to your address. Have a great day and do fun shit.